Hi, hello, what's up? Look, you can see my tongue. Okay, let's take this off. Yay! I really want to glue this thing onto a mask. Peace out.
Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. Alright, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day. Well,
now that I've worked on this for a couple of hours, we're going to take all of this off. I broke a glass for this. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Bro, this is not coming off. Oh, my eyes are watering. Okay, I just gotta rip it off like a band-aid. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for this baby. Oh. Now for the eyes. Got it. Ooh. And this one. Got it. Ooh. Also, side note, my tongue has never been this red in my entire life. All from fake blood. Oh, my face burns.
Happy Halloween! I saved the most satisfying removal for last. You're welcome. Without further ado... Oh! Ow. Itchy! Here we go. Whew. Oh! This prosthetic took like 5 hours to make. It's fine. Ow. I can already tell this is gonna hurt. Oh! Why hide?
Take off my makeup with me. This is gonna hurt me. Ow! Hopefully this one's easier. This one had the most adhesive on it. Oh my god! Oh my god! My skin is literally burning.
hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out, so if any zombie movies need a zombie, y'all know who to call. I do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding, I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure.
Take off my makeup with me, Mrs. Claus edition. P.S. The skin tone did end up being a little bit darker than I wanted it to be. It isn't my natural skin tone, but the foundation was a little bit dark to begin with, and it did oxidize on top of the shading. But it was completely unintentional. But now, aside from that, first I'm gonna take off my wig and hat. Oh, and of course these. Now let's get to peeling this off. Now this is all over my face, so I better not have any blackheads after this. It's literally a forbidden face mask. I even put it on my lips. That does not feel great. Oh my gosh. It literally creased my skin. And you're done! Even though I still look wrinkled. Like, oh my gosh, that is literally so crazy. Thank you so much for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? You already know that it is time to take this off again. I took my contacts out and it feels a lot better. Now it's time for the creepy smile. Gotta find the edge. Come on. There it is. Okay, big breath. Oh, that made my eyes water. There's paint in my eye. What is it with me and getting things in my eye that aren't supposed to be in my eye? Okay, I think I got the paint out. Now let's do these. I hate wax. Now let's take the rest off. I'm all clean now. Oh, my voice just cracked. But you guys have an amazing day.
This makeup on for almost 8 hours. Let's take it off. Dobby has no master. I'm scared for how painful this is gonna be. Here's. Now for the bald cap. The other side. Why do I look like Voldemort when he's dying? Okay, one big rip. Ow! Never mind. Don't try this at home. My eyebrow. Both of my eyebrows. Ow, ow. Neck is so raw. Yeah, I'm definitely missing the top of this eyebrow now. And this is why you don't rip off bald caps. Why do I do this to myself? This makeup.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now.
It's time to take this makeup off. This is going to be so painful. I don't even know where to start. I look insane, so let's just carry on. Let's hope my brows don't come off. I'm going to use my silhouette and a brush to like peel this off.
Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I cannot see because I'm wearing contacts. But I put both of them on, which is new. I could never put both contacts on, but you know, I can't see. So I'm gonna attempt to take them off. Be right back. I took them off, you guys. I don't even know where to start with this one. Oh boy. Beautiful. There's some right there as well. Yeah. Boop. Gotta take this all off. I'll be right back. So I accidentally got latex in my hair, so I have to cut it off now because latex doesn't come out of hair. Never mind, I got it out. Do you guys like my bangs? But anyways, good day, you guys.
Makeup removal. I've never made one of these, but I really wanted to make it. Also, I can't see a thing. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out my eye things. Whatever. Ow. I guess I'm just gonna peel this off. Got it. Cute. What do I do with this? First, put my hair up. I look so... Then I'm taking this Dermalogica pre-cleanse. It's like an oil. Then just rub and it'll all start to come off. Then I'm taking makeup wipes. We're getting there. I don't know why my hands are red. And then I'm just going in with a cleanser. I always end up with stuff on my legs. All done. Can someone tell me why it burned me? I use liquid latex. Oh! Makeup